Joining us now, Issac Rachinski with Fast Comet Delivery, a moving, delivery, and installation company, joining us from Maui. Issac, thank you so much for being here.
No, good morning. Thank you for having me.
Great to have you. So you've been delivering much needed supplies. What is the situation like on the ground right now, and how are you getting to those people of Lahaina?
Um, so we have a small company here in Maui, and we with of another friend, they have a few restaurants here in Maui. Uh, it's called Fish Market. We just got together and start, asking people to donate it, food and water and blankets and stuff that they need on the ground there, um, just to make sure they can get some of the items that they needed right away. Um, we have a little setback with the police because they are not allowing anybody going to Lahaina or leaving Lahaina for a few days. And we have friends in Lahaina that are staying with us now that were able to get out of there a couple of days ago, and they just told us how bad the situation was and how many people didn't have, shelter and water and clothing, and the main is food. We know a lot of the local people here are just donating as much as they could, but we're not able to get to Lahaina. Some of them got through boats. Some of them brought food with jet skis, and we just did whatever we could to just make sure they have the minimal to survive on that side.
Absolutely. And when you're driving to some of these hard hit areas, what are some of the challenges with getting there? What are you seeing on the ground?
Um, it was just right here in Malaya is like checkpoints everywhere that they ask, "What are you doing? Where are you going?" Because they're blocking anybody from going over there. And I talked directly to the Maui Police Department and I asked them, I have a truckload with food, water, and ice, and can I go there and drop it off for some of the people that I know that are not getting any supplies? They have a few spots in Lahaina that they're bringing food, but it's too far apart. And people in Lahaina don't have any means to dislocate from one area to another because they have no gas. Like as you guys can see on the videos and pictures, all the cars burned down and they just trained in one spot. So I got in touch with a local friend that lives in Lahaina and was, part of the evacuation and all that. And they just told me specific points where people needed food and water and they were not getting it.
What
So
is
that's
your
when we
Absolutely, and it's such an incredible cause that you're a part of. We certainly appreciate you taking this on yourself, and I'm sure there are a lot of dangers associated with it. What is your biggest concern for those people, and what do you think it's going to take to get them the help that they need? We have about 30 seconds left.
they need food, shelter, safety, security, and some health people like anybody like doctors or nurses that can go up there and help them because they're doing everything on their own. So that's the main thing. Uh, and everybody's seeing how bad it is here in Maui. I mean, a lot of the people that are coming to Maui, they're canceling their trips to Hawaii and just giving us time to, get our feet on the ground again and trying to make something better for these people that lost everything here and all the help that we needed. I mean, and Maui is a very tight community. The local people here are very tight, and we have people from all over from all over living here in Hawaii. I'm from Brazil, and I've been here for 15 years, and to see Maui going through this kind of stuff is just devastating.
It's absolutely heartbreaking looking at these images, and you can only imagine the suffering of those on the ground. Well, Issac Rachinski, thank you so much for joining us and for all the good work you're doing for the people of Maui.
Thank you. Appreciate you guys.
Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find News Nation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of News Nation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.